the A6. Buxton! Easy, mate, easy!
Look, at that behind me. I was going to show you inside, man.
Now then, look at that behind me. I was going to show you the inside of the van. Got a set of drawers under there as well. On a nice day like this, you know, I can just stand at the back of the van, cook up a little scramble. I've also got this toaster that I've not used yet, so I'm gonna toast on beans and toast like tea. But I'm just gonna enjoy a brew and a view, because you can't beat a brew and a view. I'll show you what a view is. Goyt Valley. So this is what I'm looking at. This is what we're gonna go and explore a bit of today. Starting up here, then we'll go down into the valley